Hello students, welcome to all in your math class. Now we solve division word problems. Solving word problems with the help of Nedo's method. You already know this method. A car dealership needs to transport 8,672 motorcycles from Mumbai to Hyderabad by truck. एक कार डीलरशिप है, उसे जरूरत है 8,672 मोटरसाइकिल्स को मुंबई से हैदराबाद ट्रांसपोर्ट करने की। मींस उसे इतने मोटरसाइकिल्स मुंबई से हैदराबाद भेजने हैं। इफ द ट्रक कैन होल्ड 16 मोटरसाइकिल्स, अगर ट्रक की कैपेसिटी कितने मोटरसाइकिल को होल्ड करने की है 16, मींस एक चक्कर में वो 16 मोटरसाइकिल्स को ले जा सकता है। हाउ मेनी ट्रिप्स विल द ट्रक नीड टू मेक, तो ट्रक के कितने चक्कर लगेंगे, कितने ट्रिप में वो सभी मोटरसाइकिल्स को मुंबई से हैदराबाद छोड़ देगा। लेट अस सोल्व दिस वर्ड प्रॉब्लम। N, numbers and keywords. Identify the numbers and keyword. You see 8,672, 16, how many? Asked, what is asked in the question? How many trips will the truck need to make? D, draw to understand. हमें पता है फर्स्ट ट्रिप में 16 जा सकते हैं, इसी तरह 8,672 मोटरसाइकिल कितने ट्रिप में जाएंगे। Operation, identify the correct operation. By drawing we can see that to find the number of trips we need to divide 8,672 by 16. In last step S, solve the problem. डिविडेंड को हमने अंदर राइट डाउन किया, 16 बाहर डिवाइजर, इसको हम 16 की टेबल को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 16 5 जा 80। अब सबट्रैक्ट किया, हमें क्या मिला 86 माइनस 86। 7 को कैरी डाउन करेंगे, 16 की टेबल अगेन काउंट की, 16 4 जा 64। 7 में से 4 गया 3, 2 को कैरी डाउन किया, अब 16 2 जा 32, ये पूरा डिवाइड हो गया। क्वोशिएंट क्या आया हमारा 542। द ट्रक विल नीड टू मेक 542 ट्रिप्स टू ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑल द मोटरसाइकिल्स। मींस ट्रक को कितने ट्रिप लगाने पड़ेंगे 542। जितने भी मोटरसाइकिल है सभी मोटरसाइकिल्स को मुंबई से हैदराबाद तक पहुंचाने के लिए ट्रक के कितने ट्रिप लगेंगे 542। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आप इसी तरह के क्वेश्चंस की और प्रैक्टिस करना। स्टूडेंट, नाउ वी सॉल्व मल्टी स्टेप वर्ड प्रॉब्लम। मल्टी स्टेप मींस जब हमें एक ऑपरेशन से ज्यादा ऑपरेशन की नीड हो, किसी क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने में हमें एक से ज्यादा ऑपरेशन की नीड हो। नाउ लेट अस सी अ वीडियो फॉर सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस।
Hello students, meet Mrs. Aarti Sharma. She is organizing a cooking competition at school today. She has 65 bags of nuts and these are to be divided equally amongst 13 students. If each bag contains 15 nuts, can you tell me how many nuts each student will receive? We need to use two operations. First, we need to find the total number of nuts by multiplying 65 by 15. This gives us 975. Next, we need to divide the total number of nuts, 975, by the total number of students, which is 13. We get 75. So, each student will receive 75 nuts. Easy, right? But what if you get such mathematical problems as word problems? How will you solve them? Let's learn how to solve word problems in this video. Mrs. Aarti has 55 bags of nuts. and these are to be divided equally amongst 11 students. If each bag contains 10 nuts, how many nuts will each student receive? Can you recall the strategy we used to solve word problems? Yes, you are right. We use the NADOS strategy to solve word problems. The numbers in this problem are 55 bags of nuts, 11 students, and 10 nuts. The keywords in this problem are divided equally, how many, and each. Now, let us move to the next step, which is to check what is being asked. Here, the question is, how many nuts will each student receive? We draw to understand the problem. Let us break the problem into two parts and draw. Firstly, we know that there are 55 bags of nuts and each bag contains 10 nuts. Secondly, we know that all these nuts are to be divided equally amongst 11 students. The next step of the NADOS strategy is to find the operations to be performed. We can see that the keywords used are divided equally, how many, and each. How many is used for multiplication and divided equally and each are used for division. Now, with the keywords and the drawing, we can conclude that we first have to multiply the number of nuts by the number of bags to find the total number of nuts. Then, divide the total number of nuts by the number of students to find out how many nuts each student will receive. We are now at the last step of the NADOS strategy. That is, to solve the problem based on the operations identified in the previous step. Let us start by finding the total number of nuts. By multiplying 55 by 10, we get 550. Now, to find the number of nuts that each student will receive, we will divide 550 by 11. We see that the quotient is 50 and the remainder is 0. This means that each student will get 50 nuts and no nuts will be left over. We could easily solve this word problem with the help of NADOS. Happy learning!